The eLuxury manufacturing team in Evansville, Indiana, are devoted to manufacturing some of the best reviewed mattress pads online. With over 1 million of these mattress pads manufactured and sold worldwide, our team works tirelessly to make to order these pads and get them on the way to the consumer. The process begins with the Revoloft Fiber Fill. The trademarked Revoloft polyester staple fiber is a state-of-the-art cluster fiber fill engineered to provide a classic luxury feel while remaining resilient over time. It goes through an extra engineering process to create a network of fiber that traps air to allow the pad to keep its shape longer and allow more airflow than any other mattress pads on the market. Even with the technology used to create the precise specifications, eLuxury still depends on a team of skilled experts to make sure that every cut, stitch, and measurement is exactly up to the standard that their customers have come to expect from these mattress pads. Each mattress pad is put through a series of quality assurance checks to make sure that all of the products are flawless. Our highly skilled sewers machine sew on the unique skirting, which allows these mattress pads to grip to the mattress, which is another key component to the success of the products. Each mattress pad goes through one last quality check by the QA team and is then placed in the airtight packaging material and is boxed up to be sent to the customer. The in-house operations team can ship thousands of these mattress pads per day. The manufacturing process for our mattress pad reflects the true ethos of eLuxury. The employees at eLuxury embody the spirit of hard work, forward-thinking, entrepreneurship, and painstaking attention to detail that define the birth of the company and purposely willed the success since the company's founding.
I think one of the things that makes us unique as a company is not only the different customers we serve both online and offline, both direct to consumer and direct to other businesses, is the fact that while making and manufacturing here in the United States of America, we also have a substantial global footprint, which helps us hit various price points and/or lead times based on the needs of our customer.
Webster's first dictionary in 1806 defined success as being generous, prosperous, and kind. And regrettably, the most recently published definition of success is getting or achieving wealth, respect, and fame. The eLuxury team is honored to do business based on the 1806 definition.